So check this out, guys. We had a Ford Escape, a 2016 Escape in the shop. And we have a bunch of codes stored in here. We have one for the tranny, engine overspeed, and gear number one incorrect ratio. What I did now is go ahead and pull the PIDs up. So what I did was go ahead and pull the PIDs up for the transmission, and I went ahead and go to reverse. If you go to reverse and then you go to drive, you can see something switch here. So one of these pressures solenoids are leaking. Something is going on here, guys. Something. You could literally feel the car shaking like it's about to stall out, guys. You pull the DTCs up, gear one incorrect ratio, forward or low, reverse, clutch system fault, including non-electrical. And these are the shift solenoid A, shift solenoid D, and shift solenoid E. And there you have a weird noise coming from the transmission, guys. What you think? I need a valve body or a